name is Justin Serwe. I'm a product training specialist for Manitou Group. So the machine behind me is part of a 6 series new models that we just launched. 3 new skid loaders and 3 new track loaders. VT210, VT230, and the VT275 on the track loaders. E standing for a vertical lift machine, T standing for a track. The model number stands for its lifting capacity. So 210, add a 0 at the end, 2,100 pound capacity machine. So a couple new features on the machine. The first one that you'll probably notice is the shaped lift arm on the sides. It's lowered on the outside, pitched, so you have a greater visibility out to the side of the machine while you're operating. The other new feature that we've improved on is our patented IdealAccess door, which we currently have, but we've made some improvements, adding 3 inches of visibility on the bottom of the door and changing it to only a 1 grab handle in the front versus 2. The door folds up on top of the operator. It doesn't go above your head, it shortcuts before you. And you can use the lift arm in any position and with any attachment in the front without having to worry about breaking the door. A lot of new intuitive lighting controls on the inside, helping those operators that may be unskilled or for the rental market, allowing them to easily operate, get into our machine, and understand what needs to be done. Another new feature on these machines is our sloped roof with a smaller cross member in the front, so easier visibility as you look up. It's also tapered to the sides, so any rain that comes down flows off to the outside. One more thing on our new loaders is it's our largest cab to date, over 23% larger than our previous units. The other major improvement on our machines is our serviceability. Simply remove 2 bolts inside the cab and the cab rolls back 68 degrees for easy access underneath.
Gehl works like you.